to do is we can actually go through and take a look at what ends up happening. So if we wanted to, we could actually go to update help UICulture EN-US, so English language, and then verbose. To kind of what's going to end up happening here is that the command specifies UICulture flag. It gives the value of EN-US. So if I wanted to, I could update help, and this will just give me the United States version of it. But I could update my support for the Saudi version of it if I wanted to. I can go there and then make it verbose and then kind of see what we've got. And perimeter cannot be found. Damn UICulture. Oh man, I spelled it wrong. All right, so I spelled it wrong. So, right, so you just can go over. And then go from there, and then boom, that will do it. Again, typos. When you're working at the command line, it's so easy to do typos. It really is. But now that we're updating my entire thing, right, we're all pretty much so good to go here. And you can do this for a different language if you find yourself in a different place doing something interesting, and you just want the help file for that, go ahead and update it. So if you don't already find out, so what would be if we wanted to update the help file for Saudi? Update help for Saudi, so we can find out what the culture, what was that big command here we've got? So we want UICulture. UICulture Arabia. So we want neutral Arabic culture name. ARSA. So let's try this. So if we think we want to update this for Saudi, we would go, I think, ARSA for Saudi Arabia, and I need a minus sign in front of that, I think. Nope, I think we're good there. So UIEN, so you update help UICulture ARSA verbose, right? So we should be able to go ahead and this should update it for Saudi. It was not updated because the update command was when, it was running the last 24 hours. Okay, but if we wanted to update the help for Saudi Arabia, that would be your command. So otherwise it would work. Problem is I've run this already once for English. Now I need to go ahead and run it for Saudi, and I have to wait another 24 hours for that. Still pretty cool though. So again, we can update all of our files to be really specific to whatever culture or country we want to be in. So if you didn't run it for English, run it for Saudi Arabia. See what happens. Run it for Chinese. See if you can run the Chinese one. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.